In this video, I am going to show you how to withdraw money from Wise to a bank account. If you have an account with Wise, you'll be able to hold a balance in 50 plus currencies, send payments to 80 plus currencies, and get paid like a local major currencies like GBP, Euros, and CAD, and as well, of course, USD. However, what happens when you want to use your balance from Wise to send a payment to someone else, or when you want to withdraw money to your bank or regular US bank account? Let's look first at how to withdraw a balance you hold with Wise to an account to your own bank. Start by logging into the Wise online or in-app Wise. You can find the link in the description. You'll see the currency balances you have open and the funds you hold on the left-hand menu if you're using the website, or along the top of the screen if you logged using the Wise app. Choose the currency you want to withdraw from and tap Click. Click Send. You'll see it with an arrow icon in the menu, and enter the amount and currency you want to withdraw. If you're converting your balance to another currency in order to withdraw it, you'll instantly see the exchange rate and fee that will apply to the withdrawal, and how much you'll get in the end. Next, you'll need to add the details of the account you want to receive money to, or choose yourself as an existing recipient if you've withdrawn funds to the account before. If you're withdrawing to the account for the first time, just follow the prompts to enter all the details required. This can vary a little depending on the currency, but it will likely include the name of the account holder, the account number, bank name, other relevant information such as routing number for USD transfers. Check everything over, and once you're ready to go, click the Send Money option. Your money will be on the way. You'll get a notification when it's been sent. You can also track your transfer by accessing your account. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.